Next problem, see that differentiate y equal to x cube minus 1 whole power 100, y equal to x cube minus 1 whole power 100. So here, if you are taking that u equal to x cube minus 1, u equal to x cube minus 1, and then y will become that u power 100. Therefore, what is the formula here? See that every problem we are writing the formula. So dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. What is dy by du here? Du by du is 100 into u power 99. But you have to substitute u here, x cube minus 1. And then if you are differentiating the du by dx here, what is u here? X cube minus 1. Du by dx is 3x square. Minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 differentiation is 0. So therefore, we will get that 300 x square into x cube minus 1 whole power 99. So in the right hand side, you have to write what is this dy by dx. You can write dy by dx. You can write. In case if you are missing, don't worry about this. I am record the class, and then afterwards I will upload and then send the link to you. In case if you are missing, leave some space for that problem. Then afterwards you can complete that. See, next problem is differentiate y equal to e power sin x. Y equal to e power sin x. So here e power sin x, if you taking that sin x is u equal to sin x, that thing you have to substitute. So first you have to identify in the substitution method what you are going to substitute or what you are going to change. Based on the problem only we have to take. So take u equal to sin x, so that y equal to u power u. Therefore dy by dx is d of e power u by du by dx. So u power u differentiation is e power u only, du by dx. What is u here? Sin x. But du by dx equal to du by dx equal to cos x. So after finding that cos x, you have to substitute here e power u cos x. Substitute that u value here, that is e power sin x. Cos x into e power sin x is the differentiation. So here exercise is that differentiate the following. So how can you differentiate one by one? For the first problem, answer is dy by dx, dy by dx equal to 5 x square plus 4x 4x plus 6 whole power 4 into 2x plus 4. It is the answer for first problem. What is the second problem answer? Tan 3x. What is the answer for tan 3x? 3 secant square, 3 secant square 3x. What is the answer for 3? Cos of tan x. Anybody? Third one. Y equal to cos of tan x. What is the answer for cos of tan x? Hmm? Minus sin. Minus sin.
Tan of tan x minus sine of tan x.
Minus sin of tan x. Uh, into secant square x. Into secant square x. Okay, fine. Um, Here this can be written as 1 plus x. Here cube root is there actually. So it can be written as 1 plus x cube whole power 1 by 3. It is like we can write this as this equation is 1 plus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Therefore the answer for fourth one is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 plus x cube whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 and then 3 x square. That is the answer for fourth one. And then fifth one is y e power root x. The answer for fifth one is e power root x, e power root x into 1 by 2 root x. It is answer for fifth one. Last one, sixth one answer is y equal to sine of e power x. Y equal to sine of e power x is e power x cos of e power x, cos of e power x. So these are the answer for the exercise problems. Did you copy that? Can we come to the next slide? So this rule is called the chain rule. Next one is derivatives of variables defined by parametric equation. Derivatives of variables defined by parametric equations. So what is called the parametric equation? There are two variables are there, x and y, but x is f of t and y equal to g of t. In case if you are writing that, see this is the circle equation. Very simple example, x square plus y square equal to r square is the circle equation. Then we can write that x equal to r cos t, y equal to r sin t. Therefore, x equal to sum f of t we can write, y equal to sum f of t we can write. This is called the parametric equation. Usually, what is the parametric equation is, if you are substituting some value in the left hand side, you should get the right hand side. Now you can see that x square plus y square, x square plus y square, x square plus y square equal to r square. x square plus y square equal to r square. If you are substituting that x equal to r cos t, what will you get? R square cos square t plus r square, y square is r sin t. Now y equal to r sin t. Therefore y square is r square sin square t. What is common here? R square common. Taking that r square outside, then cos square t plus sin square t. Cos square t plus sin square t is 1, so that is equal to r square. See, you are taking that right hand side, and then you are attaining the left hand, you are taking that left hand side, and then you are attaining the right hand side. Then this r cos t, r sin t is called the parametric equations. Similarly, in case if we are taking that y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to 4ax, what are the parametric values? What are the parametric values here? For y square equal to 4ax, already we have studied the parabola, ellipse and hyperbola in plus 1, plus 2 or 10th, I think. I don't know whether it came in 10th or not. Okay, in case y square equal to 4ax, x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280. It is a parametric form. So, um, what is the definition for parameter here? If two variables x and y defined separately as a function of intermediating variables t. What is intermediating variable here? From the left hand side, when you are substituting some parametric value, you should attain the right hand side. That is called the auxiliary variable t. Then the specification of functional relationship between x and y describes it as parametric, and the auxiliary variable is known as parameter. So here t is called the parameter. Here t is called the parameter. So what is our aim in the parametric equation? It is only the definition for parametric equation. It is not the differentiation. Okay. So here the operation of finding the direct connection between x and y without presence of the auxiliary variable t is called elimination of parameter. Elimination of parameter. So even though x and y is a function of t, after substituting that x and y value in the left hand side, the right hand side should not contain the parameter t. Only it contain r square. Therefore, this type of this type of concept is called the parametric equations. So here one example, and then for the def- differentiation for the parametric equation. For the differentiation for the parametric equation, dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. That is equal to f of t by g of t. It is one standard formula for the to get the dy by dx. Even in the parametric equation, we can find the second order differentiation. That is, it is one more formula: d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square. That is equal to, it is the second order differentiation of y with respect to x is d by dt of d by dt of dy by dt of dy by dx dy by dt of dy by dx into 1 by dx by dt. It is a formula to find the second order derivative. dy by d square y by dx square equal to d by dt of dy by dx into 1 by dx by dt. It will be very useful in that fourth unit or the fifth unit. So you have to note down one formula here. This is one formula. It is the second formula in the parametric equation. Just you write that very simple definition, what is called the parametric, what is called the parameter, that is enough. After that directly we can write this formula dy by dx. What is the formula for dy by dx and what is the formula for t square y by dx square, that is enough. Okay. Next slide is, if we regard, just if we regard x as a function of y, in case y is a function of x, we can write that the previous one, in case x is a function of y, in case if we are writing that x equal to function of y, then we can follow this formula. Okay, first problem, see the example. In case find the dy by dx if x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280, where t is not equal to 0, then first you have to find the you have to write the parametric form x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280. You have to find that separately dx by dt and dy by dt. Dx by dt is 280, otherwise simply we can write x dash. X dash is 280 and y dash. Y dash is 2a. So if you are if you are writing that formula dy by dx, what is dy by dx formula? Y dash of t by x dash of t. Very simple. That is, you are writing that it is a differentiate with respect to y. It is differentiate with respect to x. So whatever the parameter you are differentiating with respect to y, write in the numerator. Whatever the parameter you are differentiating with respect to x, this one, you have to write in the denominator. So here 2a get cancelled. You will get 1 by t as the answer. The second problem is find dy by dx if x equal to a into t minus sin t, y equal to a into 1 minus cos t. See the solution here. First we have to find the dx by dt. For the dx by dt, a is the constant, keep it that, and the differentiation of t is 1, differentiation of sin t is cos t. Similarly, if we are differentiating that y with respect to t, we can write this as dy by dt, that is equal to, keep it a here, differentiation of 1 is 0, minus cos t differentiation is minus sin t. 0 minus sin t. So minus of minus will be plus. Therefore, if you are keeping that a outside, therefore it is a sin t will get. And then dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. A sin t by 1 minus cos t. Sin t by 1 minus cos t. Actually, one formula is there for sin t, half angle formula. What sin 2t formula? 2 sin t cos t. But sin t equal to 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. Similarly, for 1 minus cos t, what is the formula? use that 1 minus cos 2t formula. What is 1 minus cos t? Anybody are able to tell me? 1 minus cos 2t. What is cos 2t formula? Cos 2t. Three formulas are there. Cos square t minus sin square t. That is one formula. Second one formula is 1 minus 2 sin square t. One formula. Otherwise, one more formula is 1 plus cos square t. One more formula. So what is 1 minus cos 2t formula? I think we can get it from cos 2t. Cos 2t equal to, otherwise cos 2t equal to 1 minus 2 sin square t. So 1 minus cos t equal to 1 minus cos t equal to 2 sin square t by 2. If you are substituting this value here, what will you get? Sin t is 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2, and then divided by 2 sin square t by 2. 1 sin get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. So cos t by 2 by sin t by 2. That means cot t by 2 is the answer. In case 1 plus cos t is there, then the result is totally vary. Otherwise, you have to verify one more time. Because is it correct? 1 minus cos t? You are having the formula with you now. Verify it. Is it correct answer or not? Can we move to the next page? Implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation. What is called the implicit function? Implicit function is y equal to some f of x. Y equal to some f of x. In case this can be also written as f of x comma y equal to 0. This can be written as f of x comma y equal to 0. At the time, how can we differentiate that? So here df, you have to find dy by dx for this. Dy by dx. So how to find the dy by dx for the implicit function? In case y equal to f of x is there, easily we can find that dy by dx, because the right hand side only y is there. Sorry, left hand side only y is there. Right hand side function of x is there. Easily we can differentiate that. In case if it is given as a single function, see that first example. In case if it is x square plus y square equal to 1, then what is dy by dx? So every time you have to differentiate both sides with respect to the dy dx. dy dx. So dy dx of x square is 2x plus dy dx of y square is 2y into differentiation of y is dy by dx, and the differentiation of constant is 0. Then if you are solving this, you are taking the 2x plus 2y divided by dx equal to 0 na. So 2x equal to or minus 2x equal to 2y 2y dy by dx, 2y dy by dx. So here 2 to get cancelled, 2 to get cancelled. Therefore dy by dx is minus x by y. This is the answer. Otherwise, simply we can write here. No need to write the dy by dx also here. Simply differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of y square is 2y, and then you are differentiating y. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 0. Even we are going more faster than this big, since a few bio students are there. That's why I need to do all the problems in every type, because already the math students, those who are studying in that plus 1 plus 2, they have go through all these concepts. It is only the revision for them. But for the bio students, those who are not studying that plus 1 plus 2, they have to work more. That is, you have to download that plus 1 plus 2 book from the tnbooks.com better, and then you have to go through from the basic. Next problem is, so first in the page what you have to what are you going to write that? How to write this? So in the page you have to write what is that implicit function. What is the implicit function? What is the explicit function? That's it. Next problem, find dy by dx if sin y equal to y cos 2x. So here both the sides, it is also the function of y, it is also the function of y. So you have to use the product rule for this, because it is in the format of d of uv format. D of uv format. You know that what is d of uv? u dv plus v du. So here d by dx of sin y, when you are differentiate here, differentiation of sin y is cos y, cos y. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Please keep it in mind when you are differentiating x, that is g, that is 1. In case you are differentiating y, then you will get the dy by dx. So right hand, left hand side is cos y dy by dx, but right hand side is, so for the right hand side, dy by dx of y cos 2x. First you keep it that y, differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 sine 2x 2 sine 2x plus keep it that cos 2x. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. So it is like it is known as the product. It is known as the product in the both the sides. See here dy by dx is there, here dy by dx is there. Whatever dy by dx is there, you keep it that side. If you are taking to that side, then it will be minus. So dy by dx is cos y minus cos 2x. So see that 2 into cos y minus cos 2x into dy by dx equal to minus 2y sin 2x. Only this will be remain that left hand side, sorry, right hand side. So what is dy by dx? Once you segregate the dy by dx, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you segregate the dy by dx here, then you can write that minus 2y sin 2x divided by cos y. That is, you have to cross multiply here. When you cross multiply here, you will get that 2y sin 2x divided by cos y minus cos 2x. Only thing is, you keep it in mind, d differentiation of y is dy by dx, differentiation of x, differentiation of x, that is equal to 1. If you are differentiating with respect to x, if you are differentiating with respect to x, if you are differentiating with respect to y, then it will be 1. In case if you are differentiating y with respect to x, dy by dx. In case if you are differentiating y with respect to y is 1. Can we move to next slide? Everyone completed na? Logarithmic differentiation. It is somewhat difficult and different also. Logarithmic differentiation. You know that differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. It is a simple differentiation, but sometimes it in case the given function is somewhat difficult, or complicated, then you can use this method, dy dx of log x, log of f of x, not only log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, but dy dx of log of f of x is, first you have to differentiate that f of x is the sorry, first you have to write that log x formula. What is log x formula? It is like dy dx of log of f of x is 1 by f of x. Then you have to differentiate that f of x is f dash of x. And that's why this is written as f dash of x by f of x. First you have to differentiate that dy by dx of log f of x. Then you have to differentiate f of x is f dash of x. It is like function of function rule only. It is like function of function rule. See that first example. Find the derivative of y equal to square root of x square plus 4 sine square x into 2 power x. Everything is exponential format. Whenever that exponential means power actually. So every time some power is there, then you have to use that logarithmic method to find the value. So taking logarithm on both sides using the law of logarithm, log y equal to square root of x square plus 4. So what is square root of x square plus 4? That is equal to x square plus 4 whole power 1 by 2. And then you know that why they are writing that plus plus here every time. Here everything in the multiplication. See that sine square x also is in multiplication. Everything is in multiplication. But when you are writing in the log y, it is plus. What is the rule of this? Log
Log, log,
m
logarithm.
log mn equal to log m
Log n plus log
Plus
n.
log n.
plus log n.
uh, log n. What is one more formula? Log m power n. Log m power n.
N log n.
N log m. Division formula. Division formula.
Log m by n.
Log m by n equal to
Log m minus log n.
log m minus log n. So these are the simple rules. Okay, fine. So using this, we can write that log y equal to 1 by 2 log x square plus 4, 2 log sin x plus x log 2. That is that another method. In case if you are know that multiplication rule also, d of u v w also we can use that. That is, it is u, it is v, it is w. So easily we can do that. The d of u v w. D of UV, we know that. What is D of UVW? What is D of UVW? Already we have done that UV only, na? What is UVW? D of UVW. UV DW plus plus UW UWDV plus VW DU. This is the formula D of UVW. UVDW plus UWDV plus UVW DU. So if you are differentiating that, what we need to write? Y dash f dash of x, na? So y dash by y, that is 1 by 2, 2x by x square plus 4. So log of x square plus 4 differentiation is 2x by x square plus 4. 2 log sin x is 2 by sin x is sin x here, cos x plus log 2. That is log of 2 power x. We can write that x2 here because log of 2 power x is there. Then you have to write that x and log 2. Differentiation is, say that y dash by y equal to 1 by 2. Cos x by sin x is cot x plus log 2. So this implies y dash we have to write. We need only that y dash dy by dx. So take it that y cross multiply this side. Therefore, we will get that dy by dx equal to y into x by x square plus 4, 2 plus 2 cot x plus log 2. Next problem. Did you complete it? Can we move to next slide?
1 minute.
Okay. Next problem is differentiate only this type of problem. We can do that by u by v method also. D of u by v method also we can do that. Okay. Even when you are doing that u by v method, it is somewhat complicated. That's why we are using that logarithmic format. So taking the logarithmic on both sides of this equation, using the law of using the rule of logarithmic. So it is that mn, but the whole thing is m by n model. If you are taking that log m, both of them in plus, that last one is in minus. So we can write that log y equal to 3 by 4 log x plus 1 by 2 log x square plus 1 minus 5 log 3x plus 2. So previous, what is the previous step? Actually, it is one step ahead, skipping one step. Better you can write that here log y, taking that log on both sides means log of x power 3 by 4 plus log of x square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 minus log 3x plus 2. Better you can write that one more step also, 3x plus 2 whole power 5. So next step you can write this. So differentiate on both sides. We can write that directly. The right hand side is log y differentiation is 1 by y, and then differentiation of y is y dash. So y dash by y equal to 3 by 4 log x differentiation is 1 by x plus 1 by 2 2x by x square plus 1 minus this log 3x plus 2 is 1 by 3x plus 2, and then differentiation of 3x plus 2 is 3. It is like substitution method. Next problem is, so here they are substituting that y. The right hand side answer is this one, but you are cross multiplying that y here, then you will get that we have to write that what is y. This is given y. One second, it is come. In general, these things you can write that. In general, there are four cases for exponential, exponents and bases. One, d by dx of a power b, it is constant. A and b are constant. In case d by dx of f of x whole power b, you know that b is constant. B f of x whole power b minus 1 into f dash of x. Then in case d by dx of a power g of x, a power some function of x, then a power g of x log a into g dash of x. Third one. Third one is important. That will come as MCQ. And then d by dx of f of x whole power g of x. See, it is a constant, but in case both the things are variables, then what is the rule here? Definition of formula number 3 and 4. Huh? Important. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Next problem is differentiate y equal to x power root x. It is in the same concept. What is the format here? See in the last one, d by dx of f of x whole power g of x. F of x whole power g of x formula, we can do that. That is f of x whole power g of x into f dash of x by f of x plus log of f of x into g dash of x. Using the formula, we can substitute the value. So here f of x is x, f of x is x, g of x is root x. So even if you are taking that logarithmic or not, directly, that means directly we can write that f of x whole power g of x. What is the first step? F of x whole power g of x, g of x into f dash of x. G of x is root x. Sorry, uh, g of x is root x. Either you can use the formula, otherwise this always one method is there, log x, log method, log y plus root x log x. First you have to keep it that root x, and then differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus keep it that log x, differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So log x plus 2 divided by 2 root x, and then cross multiply that y to here. Then you will get that y dash equal to y into this value. So among the other method, that logarithmic method is somewhat useful when the problem is complicated, and then substitution method also very useful. Next problem, substitution method. But the substitution method is, you should know that when you are going to substitute some value, or directly we can do that. Either we can use the substitution method, or directly we can find that value also, because we know that tan inverse of x formula. Tan inverse of x formula is d of tan inverse of x, 1 by 1 plus x square. So if you are taking that 1 plus x, 1 minus x as u, the whole thing is u, then it will become as tan inverse of u. Then once again you have to differentiate this by using the d of u by v method. D of u by v method. That is one method. One more method is, if you are substituting that x equal to tan theta, what happen? 1 plus x, 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Actually, tan pi by 4 value is there. What is tan pi by 4? Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. In the place of 1, you are substituting that tan pi by 4. I am writing here tan pi by 4 plus tan theta divided by 1, keep it that 1 minus tan theta is there na, here tan theta into 1 I can write, so tan pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 into tan theta, tan pi by 4 into tan theta. It is like the tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So what is the formula of this? Tan of a plus b formula. So that is tan of pi by 4 plus theta. So tan inverse of, write that, tan of pi by 4 plus theta. So tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x is tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus theta. So tan inverse and tan, it is like that cancel. Then we will get that pi by 4 plus theta. Pi by 4 plus theta is, theta substitute the value. What is theta here? Tan inverse of x. If x equal to tan theta here, if x equal to tan theta, theta equal to tan inverse of x. Substitute the value. Theta equal to tan inverse of x means, then y equal to this value. So it will become as pi by 4 plus tan inverse of x. So pi by 4 plus tan inverse of x. But pi by 4 is constant. When you are differentiating the dy by dx, pi by 4 constant, therefore it is 0. Tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Instead of using the two rules, because here you have to use that, if you are substituting that this 1 plus x by 1 minus x is u, and then you have to use that d of u by v method. Instead of using the two rules, just we are substituting that x equal to tan theta, then finally that function will be that very simple one. See that it is a given function, then it will become this function. In case if you know that this, that is if you are able to remember this x equal to tan theta, you have to substitute. Uh, then only you can do that. Otherwise, better you can use the direct method, function of function rule. They completed that. Can I move to next slide?
One minute.
Okay. Next problem. Find f dash of x if f of x equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. See 4x cube minus 3x na, it is like in the format of 4 cos cube theta. It is like 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 3 cos theta. So this is the triple angle formula of cos theta. That means it is cos 3 theta. What is sin 3 theta formula? Sin 3 theta is just you have to write that just opposite to that. That is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. That is sin 3 theta. So if you are substituting that x equal to cos theta here, then you will get that 4x cube minus 3x is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. That is equal to cos 3 theta. Therefore, f of x equal to cos inverse of cos of 3 theta. So cos we can take it that cancel, and then we can just we can write that cos theta. But theta equal to cos inverse of x, because we are taking that x equal to cos theta. Therefore theta equal to cos inverse of x. So reverse substitution we have to do that 3 cos inverse of x. Therefore f dash of x is differentiation of f of x. That is 3 into minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Next problem. Differentiation of one function with respect to the another function. How many slides are there? Only few slides are there. Okay. We'll complete within 12 o'clock. Differentiation of one function with respect to the another function. That means we know that So y equal to f of x, then dy by dx we can find that. Dy by dx we find that. In case y equal to some more function, f and g are the differentiable function of x, and if dg by dx is g dash of x, well, that is not equal to 0, then df by dg equal to df by dx by dg by dx, f dash of x by g dash of x. You write this formula. Df by dg. Sure. Differentiation of one function with respect to the another function, you write only this formula. That is enough. Next slide. Find the derivative of x power x with respect to x log x. Usually we are finding that derivative of x power x with respect to x is okay. But what is with respect to x log x? So we have to find that first we have to keep it that x power x is u, x log x is v. So log u equal to x log x. If you are taking log on both sides, we will get that log u equal to x log x. Then differentiate this 1 by u du by dx equal to x into 1 by x, plus keep it that log x, differentiation of x is 1. So we will get that 1 plus log x. Du by dx we can find that. What is du by dx? Keep it that u that side, then u into 1 plus log x. That means x power x into 1 plus log x. We can get it then. But what is dv by dx? dv by dx is x log x. So differentiation of x log x is 1 plus x. Sorry, 1 plus log x. So the differentiation of x power x with respect to that x log x is this formula. Du by dv equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. So what is du by dx here? Du by dx is x power x 1 plus log x divided by dv by dx is 1 plus log x. So if you are substituting that x power x 1 plus log x divided by dv by dx is 1 plus log x. So this 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x cancel, and answer is x power x. And then keep it in mind both that functions are function of x only. Both the functions are function of x, x power x and x log x. Both are function of x. Can we move to next slide? Hmm. Next problem is find the derivative of tan inverse of 1 plus x square with respect to x square plus x plus 1. So here u equal to tan inverse of 1 plus x square, v equal to x square plus x plus 1. So differentiate that f of x with respect to x is tan inverse of 1 plus x square is tan inverse of g of x is very simple, but tan inverse of f of x is 1 by 1 plus x square into 2x. So therefore what is f dash of x? Please verify that, because I think it is wrong or correct. F dash of x, tan inverse of 1 plus x square, no? F dash of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square, and then 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x. So 2x by 1 plus 1 plus x square whole square. I have to write like that, but here it is writing differently. Please change it then. This numerator is not correct. This is the numerator. This is the numerator. Two x divided by 1 plus x square whole square. That is the numerator. Denominator is correct. 2x plus 1. Next problem. Higher order derivatives. Higher order derivative, that means already we have discussed about that y dash only. That is dy by dx. First order derivative. Higher order derivative. The higher order derivative also known as successive differentiation, or higher order derivative, or successive differentiation. Successive differentiation. That means successive differentiation means in case y equal to f of x is given. Y equal to some f of x is given. First order derivative is dy by dx. Similarly, second order derivative is dy dash by dx, that is denoted by d by dx of dy by dx, dy by dx. It is known as d square y by dx square, that is also denoted by y double dash. So second order differentiation is y double dash. Third order differentiation can be written as y triple dash. In case if you are writing that f of x, first order derivative is f dash of x. Sometimes, okay, f dash of x. Second order derivative is f double dash of x. Third order derivative is f triple dash of x. See the first example. Find first order, second order and third order derivative of y equal to x cube minus 6x square minus 5x plus 3. That is, if you are differentiating one time, 3x square minus 12x minus 5. And then if you are differentiating two times, you will get that 6x minus 12. If you are differentiation three times, then differentiation of 6x is 6, and then 12 differentiation is 0. So this differentiation is known as that successive derivative or the successive differentiation. Higher order derivatives are successive differentiation. Only few more problems are there. We'll complete it within 15 minutes. Next problem, find y double dash if y equal to 1 by x. See, differentiation of 1 by x power p. What is the formula? Case 1 by x power n or x power p is there, or 1 by x power n. What is the formula? Differentiation of 1 by x power p. I have given that. I have given that. Minus p.
Minus p by x
uh,
power p plus 1.
Similarly, d power n by 1 by x power n equal to minus n factorial into minus 1 whole power n divided by x power n plus 1. This is one more formula. D power n by 1 by x power n equal to 1 by n factorial. Sorry, 1 by x, not 1 by x power n, 1 by x equal to minus, it is not minus, only n factorial into minus 1 whole power n by x power n plus 1. Similarly, we can see here that here, in case y equal to 1 by x is there, what is y dash? Minus 1 by x square. Similarly, y double dash is, keep it that minus outside, 1 by x square is minus 2 by, that is equal to, keep it that minus outside, minus 2 by x cube, minus 2 by x cube. That means minus into minus plus, then it will be 2 by x cube. And then if you have differentiation of 3 times, that is equal to, differentiation of 3 times is keep it the 2 outside. 1 by x cube, 1 by x power p format na. So 1 by x cube is minus 3 by x power 4. So that's why they have written that minus of minus 1 whole power n into n factorial. 2 into 3 can be written as 3 factorial. Just wait. Madam, சொல்லுங்க madam. பர்சனல் மெயில் ஐடி இன்னும் வரல மேடம். புதுசா ஜூம் கூகுள் மீட் இது வரைக்கும் வரல. நாங்களும் போராடி பார்த்தாச்சு, மெயில் அனுப்பிச்சு பார்த்தாச்சு. இந்த பசங்க வேற கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண மாட்டேன்றானுங்களா அந்த டாஸ்க்கை. அதனால நம்மளுக்கு வந்து மெயில் ஐடி வர மாட்டேங்குது. என்ன பண்றதுன்னே ஒன்றும் புரியல. மாறுறதில்ல. Next problem. Find d square by dx square if x square plus y square equal to 4. So it is like that implicit function x square plus y square equal to 4. So differentiation of x square plus y square is 2x plus 2y into dy by dx. You have to write that. Otherwise, you have to write in the format of u by v method. We know that how to differentiate that u by v method. So copy this problem. After that, we will take the attendance and then we can leave the class. Please note down the problem first. P square by dx square if x square plus y square equal to 4. If any other problem is there, let us see that. Yeah, one or two problem is there in exercise. So you can note down these problems now. Just it is for the practice only. And then we need to take the attendance. We need to take the attendance.
சார் சார்
Hmm.
இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ப்ராப்ளம் கொஞ்சம் காட்டுங்க.
No.
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
சார் அப்படியே இதுக்கு ப்ரீவியஸ் பேஜும் கொஞ்சம் காமிங்களா சார்? தேங்க்யூ சார்.
ஓகே, கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? லாஸ்ட் பேஜ் மட்டும் நீங்கள் ஜஸ்ட்டு நோட் பண்ணிங்க, அட்டண்டன்ஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு முடிச்சுக்கோங்க. Next class la velocity acceleration maxima minima of the differential equation, ordinary differentiation. The next class is on Monday from 2:30 to 3:30.